Hi, I'm Francis. I'm from Hashkey Chain, and today I'm going to hold a workshop about develop dApp with compliance. So as beginning, as anyone joined the program yesterday, you can hold your hands up if you joined the program. Cool. Yeah, yesterday I was described as why we focus on the compliance, why we do blockchain, but we cooperate with compliance. It's because as a developer, I'm assuming that the builder here all know how to build the app, how to code. As a developer, the battle of us is about how to improve the performing of the products. We are be good at innovation, but the weakness of us is to explain it to the users so that users will trust us. I have been several hackathons and lots of the developers trying to do some innovation, but the user don't trust them. So we cooperate with the compliance that let the compliance to explain to the users. They will trying to use our product. When we got more user, we will got more. To be honest, we got more money, and at the same time, we can do a lot of things. We can find the problem of our application as soon as possible. So at first, I want to show the developing the process of the common Web3 app. We can follow this. Here is the common process, right? You're trying to coding a application and then you're testing it. When you think it is good, okay, we can deploy it on chain and we can publish our product. Maybe by Twitter, maybe by some other social media, trying to let user try it, keep this private key, and they stole about sorry, let me $50 million from the company. Yeah, because he hold the private key and he just stole the money from the app directly. And the second one is DXS. Accent. The problem is famous during the DevCon last year. So just the problem is the developer has the how do I say this? Is the owner of the contract, and he is also the owner of the money, the assets. But during for our industry, we believe that not your key, not your assets. So our assets become the developer's assets. So that is hard for user to use it because it's dangerous. It will, you don't know when the developer will rug your assets during sometimes. So we're trying to change the developer process in the compliance way. That is also the track we want to find during the ETHGlobal. Is here. Is you coding your task, but we need a process of this the whole developing process is you need to transfer your owners after you testing your project up and before you deploy it. And we provide several ways. The easiest way is we transfer the owner to notice maybe multi-signature wallets, and maybe you do the smart times two because we want to find a smart contract audit. It is not just to publish a report of your contract. It's to do the dynamic observe the contract operation. When you find the problem, you will refuse the transition. You will can you hear me? Yeah. You will refuse the transition. Here's just the example is you will refuse the transition and keep the user access security. And maybe we got another way to make our application in the compliance way, but you can think about it. That is the way I provide here. And maybe you can see the example of the Fuzlan. Yeah. Next way is what is a permissionless dApp? Yeah. Here is the DAX app of our chain. Anyone? We all know what is Uniswap, what is Pancake, right? Here is the same project on our chain. So here is the permissionless, the DeFi project. This means you just tap the number here. You just tap the number of the first you want to sell, and you will gain the token from the second. Just like I will sell HSK and gain USDT from the wallet. You don't need any permission of this project. Yeah, here's the whole project of the permissionless actions. But what we need to do, because in the future we will launch lots of the products. They will do the KYC, they will do KYB or some other. Someone told me it's KYW, right? But I haven't mentioned known it before. It's like, sorry, sorry. Okay, I just use it. Yeah, here's the I changed the permissionless actions is you need to add an identity check before you swap and the DAX router to handle your transition. As we do the identity check, after you pass identity check, you will do the DAX router will follow the price and change trying to execute your transition, and you do your swap action. You will get the token from the DeFi product. So here's the permission identity check process. Uh, we I will show the KYC product later of our chain. Yeah, but currently we just show in the past we want to share the KYC data from maybe exchange, maybe other chain to our chain. Then we need to use several maybe plan data. But HTTP is not safe, so maybe we use HTTPS, maybe we use this stream. But if you pass the user data to another storage, then my problem is you don't know the hacker will catch this or not. So it's dangerous. So it's not work for the user data privacy. But we change it is the exchange only can need to send the DK verification to our chain. When we verify it, we will show the user status, user level, and the useful information of the user, but you cannot get all of the information. You only can know the user is satisfied to this product or not all the user information. That will keep the user's data safe, and the privacy will not show anyone else. So after that, I will show you some. Here is the sorry. I just just developed it, but here's the only for the testnet, because for the mainnet, you need we got a main to approve your KYC applied. But here's I will send this to the Discord of the ETHGlobal, and also trying to generate the QR code of the after this. And I just disconnected. I connect to my wallet here, and it's just trying to of our chain. If you do the KYC process, you will get something like just like ES. If you call this DID, that I mean you're doing the KYC process. Sorry. So here's the level of the KYC, but you don't. I just said the name because it's easy to understand. But during our system, we got the different levels, just level 1, level 2, level 3, level 5. But here I use vocabulary to set it, so you can easily to understand it. So for example, we search premium request. We need to wait for the confirmation of the contract. Yeah, maybe it takes sometimes. And from this page, you can download. You can find how to use it during the front end and the contract. How to integrate with the KYC demo. I will always share this. I think already done. Yeah, already done. Sorry, it's just the front end problem. So you will go the KYC. Yeah, it's just name and your level. But during in the, I'll show you the how to do this in the mainnet. Sorry, I have a login. But if you do it in the mainnet, you need to provide you check you use a picture or you use a camera, and then they will check your bill of maybe your water or electricity, and also you need to provide your invoice and bank letter for provide you are the people from a region, so you will get a different level when you doing the KYC. But for our developers to create the app here, we just hold these tools for you guys to create the KYC process quickly. Yeah. And someone just asked me about the sorry. QR code. Yeah, it should be here. Ooh. Yeah, just remember, here's the KYC tools of the testnet. If you want to do the compliance app, use KYC, just use it. And I will show you another is someone just asked me about the Oracle, and yeah, here's the new documents of our chain, and you can find oracles here. And currently we got Supra, we got Chainlink, and we also got April. You can find the way the best April you need to find here. We got three oracles here, and for bridge we also provide two bridge here. Yeah. Okay. Any questions? I'm sorry. I will go back to here. Here's the documentation. Yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, you mean who is going to validate the data, right? For the testnet, you can got it automatically because I hope you can create your project quickly. But during the mainnet, we got a team to verify your KYC information. Yeah, you need more information for the KYC process. Your name and maybe your ID or passport, and your bill, your bank statements, and also you need to check your the one is you. Yeah, we will do that. Yeah. But for testnet, you don't need to do this because I think that they're doing the holiday currently. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone else have problems about that? Yeah. Here's the KYC QR code. If you don't record it, just this one is only for the testnet, and this one's for the mainnet. Yeah. Anyone has some questions about that? Okay. That's cool. That's cool. I will be the booth during this whole hackathon. So if you got some problem about developing, you can just come to me and ask me about that. That's cool. Thank you.